Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to view your shipped orders on the Shein app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First you have to open up the Shein app. And here it opens up in the shop menu. From here we just go into the me menu. And then here in this row, tap on shipped. And now here we will have the list of orders that have been shipped to us, and here we can just check back on those, what we have ordered, what we have received, maybe look at the prices for which we bought certain items, and yeah, I guess that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.